Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a list that's going to take you beyond time itself. The best G-Shock watches of 2025. Known for their legendary durability, these watches aren't just accessories, they're a lifestyle. If you're looking for something tough, stylish and packed with cutting-edge tech, you've come to the right place. And let me tell you this, the model at the end of this list is an absolute showstopper. It's going to blow the minds of watch enthusiasts everywhere. So make sure you watch till the very end. Now let's dive right in and discover these amazing models. Number 5. G-Steel GSTB 300. Want to add not just an accessory to your wrist, but a companion for life? Meet the G-Shock GSTB 300. The G-Shock GSTB 300 model combines a carbon fiber reinforced resin case for superior shock resistance with a sleek design that grabs attention. Its analog and digital displays, along with a LED light button, make it easy to read even in the dark. With tough solar technology, it charges itself with solar power, and it's packed with features like Bluetooth connectivity, world time, a stopwatch, countdown timer, and multifunctional alarms. Plus, with 200 meters of water resistance, it's perfect for water sports enthusiasts. Available in different design options, the GSTB 300 is a perfect choice for both everyday wear and tough conditions. It's ready to bring style and technology into your life. Number 4. G-Shock GG1000-1A5. If you're used to chunky watches or don't mind them, this watch will reward you with its design and comfort. With a flat case back and cleverly designed straps, this model sits on your wrist like armor, solid yet surprisingly comfortable. Worrying about wobbling or discomfort? Forget it. The double-pin buckle keeps the watch secure, and there's an extra loop to manage excess strap length for smaller wrists. Measuring an impressive 56.2 by 55.3 by 17.3 millimeters, this watch isn't just about rugged durability, it also surprises with unexpected comfort. Forget those Swiss watches with their expensive but stiff straps. The MUDMASTER molds perfectly to your wrist. Its lightweight feel and firm fit make it stand out, even for everyday use. In short, whether you're wrestling with bags or maneuvering in tight spaces, the MUDMASTER won't let you down. It's not just tough, it's a surprisingly refined warrior. Number 3. G-Shock GM-S 2100. G-Shock's iconic octagonal design is now available in a sleek metal case. The GMS 2100 comes with a metal frame and a durable resin case reinforced with fiberglass, making it tough enough to handle any impact or tough situation. Its slim and medium-sized form fits perfectly with G-Shock's durability standards. The dial features mirror finish indices and a sleek line pattern, giving it a simple yet bold look. With color options like rose gold and dark gray, it's got that minimalist style that's hard to resist. The urethane strap complements the metal case and offers a comfortable fit. Available in black, gray, and olive, it's designed to match your personal style. With features like 200-meter water resistance, world time, chronograph, alarm, and calendar, the GM-S 2100 is fully equipped to keep up with you. Whether you're looking for style or durability, this watch has got your back every step of the way. Number 2. G-Shock G. A 700 UC-3 ACR. Inspired by military uniforms and service jackets, the G-Shock GA 700 UC-3 ACR comes in a bold olive green color, offering both a strong presence and impressive durability and functionality. This model stands out with its 200-meter water resistance, powerful LED light, and long-lasting 5-year battery life. With support for 48 world cities and UTC time zones, it keeps you on track no matter where you are. The countdown timer, stopwatch, and 4-day alarm features make everyday life much easier. Its wide 3D displays and sleek hour and minute hands not only make it practical, but also provide an eye-catching visual experience. The rugged construction ensures it's a reliable companion for even the toughest adventures, while its stylish design adds an extra touch of flair. If you're looking for a watch that offers both performance and style, the G-Shock G A700 UC-3 ACR is perfect for you. Number 1. G-Shock Rangeman GW 9400. Ready to conquer tough outdoor conditions with the power of your mind. This watch packs durability, longevity, and functionality, taking your outdoor adventures to the next level. It's the kind of watch your dad, who loves extreme sports and outdoor activities, would wear. Think of it as an ultra-durable altimeter. With an impressive battery life, it's built for long-lasting use and can handle even the harshest environments. But be warned, it's a bit bulky and might not be the most comfortable, especially for those with slim wrists. Plus, the watch face is pretty complex, so it might take some getting used to. With this watch, you won't just check the time. You'll also have access to features like an altimeter, barometer, compass, sunrise and sunset data, and much more that'll come in handy in extreme conditions. And the thermometer, that's an extra bonus. However, if you're not a guide or park ranger, it's probably not the kind of design you'd wear every day. When it comes to price, you could find other watches with GPS tracking and extra features for about the same amount. But the Casio GW9400 stands out with its durability and long battery life, making it the perfect choice for those who need reliability and endurance for extended outdoor trips in tough conditions. If durability and trustworthiness are your top priorities, this watch deserves to be at the top of your list.